Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show my welding machine. Let's go. So this is my welding machine. See, it's like this. So this is the money. I don't have the Lego money, but I have a note. Yeah, goes on. See that. Okay, then you have to push that. See, the can comes out and you need back the money, so push this. See, the money comes back and we have to fill the can, so we will do like this. See, we have to take out this and we have to put the can again here and put this. See, it's bound. See, the can is here. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.